Okay, now you find your composition. That means moving your skull around to see where do you think it would best look on your painting. This is going to be the positive space, and then the space around it is called the negative space. So this is your subject. Where is your subject going to be? I think it'd be really cool to have it like above this little watercolor mark. That's why happy accidents are so fun in watercolors, because it seems to work out in your composition somehow. And I just don't know why, but it always works out for me. Okay, tape your top edge and tape both sides, because it will flip up nicely. If you just do the middle, it will shift. Mark your corners just in case you lose your place. And if you're working with kids, they will lose their place. So make sure you mark your